Received an HTA file and wondering whether it's safe to run? This is a powerful Windows application format built on web technologies. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what HTML applications are and how to handle them safely. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common HTA Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. HTA files are HTML application files that run as trusted Windows applications with full system access privileges. They contain standard HTML, CSS, and scripting code, but execute outside the browser sandbox with unrestricted access to the file system, registry COM objects, and other system resources through the mshta.exe runtime host. HTA files use standard HTML markup with embedded VBScript or JScript code executed by the Microsoft HTML application host mshta.exe. The HTA application tag defines window properties including border style, icon caption, and context menu. Unlike web pages, HTAs run with full local machine security zone privileges without browser restrictions. Your primary troubleshooting tool for HTA should be the specialized Microsoft HTML application host mshta.exe by Microsoft Corporation. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows cannot reveal what the code does, so inspection requires specialized or verified tools. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your HTA file and select Open with Test Microsoft HTML Application. Host mshta.exe if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If your HTA file is not opening yet, that is normal. When the initial application fails, we must assume a deeper problem. Let's jump into these 3 core diagnostic steps immediately. First, inspecting before running. Right-click the HTA file and select Edit or Open in Notepad to review the source code before execution. HTA files have full system access and can modify files, registry entries, and execute programs. Examine the scripting code carefully for any suspicious operations. Never run HTA files from untrusted sources. Next, running the application. After verifying the code is safe, double-click the HTA file to launch it. The application opens in its own window rendered by the Internet Explorer engine with full system access. HTA applications can present graphical interfaces for system administration tools, configuration utilities, and interactive dashboards. Finally, creating HTA applications. Author HTA files in any text editor using standard HTML for the interface and VBScript or JScript for logic. Add the HTA application element in the head section to configure window properties. HTAs provide a lightweight way to create Windows GUI tools without compiling code using familiar web development skills. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.